These are the washers with a seal, very important. These are 30 millimeters. What's nice about this gearbox is they provide holes so you can go through instead of having to use an L-shaped Allen like it is many times with the silver ones. No Loctite on this.
No Loctite, but has an O-ring.
Let's get the correct wrench size.
The correct wrench size. Turned with precision.
Doesn't have to be extremely tight because the O-ring actually does a seal.
Okay.
And a little more just in case of vibration, but you know, this normally won't be the case. Okay, then here we're going to put this, the cap, and we put oil once it's mounted because we want to make sure everything is relatively level, and we'll fill it up to half on the side glass. The old days I used to have a yeah, this aluminum anti-seize is always good to make extraction easier, even though after a while it disappears, but at least gives you an initial something. Because sometimes it's a little difficult to stab it exactly, so it's good. Even though on the flange it's not typically that necessary, but so it's good for a little extra. I'm just going to locate all of them so that way they're in position. And then I'm going to go for the Loctite and apply them.